Namaste everyone, welcome to Millionaire GRE. I am Punit. This is the fourth video on statistics. If you have not watched the first three videos, please go through it before continuing with this video. Those videos you can get on the same YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we had covered the concepts of mean, median, mode, range and standard deviation. In the previous video, we did something called stats table. In this video, we are covering the concept of percentiles. Now I want you to dream with me. Close your eyes and dream. Dream that you have scored 99th percentile on the GRE, or you are at 99th percentile on the GRE. What does that mean? You being at 99th percentile, what does it mean? It means that 99% of all the test takers are below you. If your score is at 99th percentile, it means you are above 99% of all the test takers, or 99% of all the test takers are below you. If any value is at X percentile, it means X% of all the terms are below that value. Okay, if any value is at X percentile, it means X% of all the terms are below that value. Now let's further solidify this concept of percentiles through a problem.
A great beast of a woman.
Now I want you to pause the screen and give this question a try. Hope you have done so. Now let's solve it together. All 750 knights in Westeros are compared in ranking. Kingslayer Jaime is found to be at 85th percentile. Jaime is at 85th percentile. It means Jaime is ahead of 85% of all the knights. Approximately at what percentile is Brienne of Tarth? If there are 105 knights ranked above Brienne but below Jaime. So Brienne is below Jaime and there are 105 knights between Brienne and Jaime. We have to find at what percentile is Brienne, or if I were to modify this question, what percent of the terms or what percent of the knights are below Brienne is what we have to find. If I get the percentage of all the terms below Brienne, I'll get the percentile of Brienne. I know 105 terms are between Brienne and Jaime. Now 105 is what percent of the total terms? Let's find out. 105 is what percent of 750? 15 5s are 75, 15 7s are, 5 2s are 10, 14%. So between Brienne and Jaime Lannister, there are 14% of all the terms. We know below Jaime, 85% of the terms are there. Between Brienne and Jaime, there are 14% of all the terms. So that leaves me with 71%. 71% of the terms are below Brienne, because 71 plus 14 will make 85. Below Brienne, 71% of the knights are there. That means Brienne is at 71st percentile, and that's our answer. Our answer is 71st percentile. And with this, we have come to the conclusion of this video. In this video, we learned about the concept called percentiles. In the next video, we will learn about weighted average or weighted mean. I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.